कैसे हो Eleanor? Hope everyone is doing great. My lens has been smudged a lot. I never clean my lens यार. Directly switch on the camera and start vlogging. श्रीमान कभी-कभी maintenance भी करो यार. Anyways, as you guys can see, I'm clearing all the mess. Basically, these are all old Triumph parts. My Street Twins are stock parts basically. This is the handlebar that came with the bike. Now we put the ACE handlebar, which made the bike much more stylish and much more rideable in the city. That's for sure. I don't prefer it for touring because it's too aggressive. But if you want your bike to be more maneuverable in the city and all, you want to zip through and properly filter with your bike, especially with the Street Twin, I think a ACE handlebar makes more sense. And also the aesthetic of the bike really goes up. That's all the clamps and all that of the handlebar and stock indicators. I don't think I'll be going back and putting these, but it's better I have all this together. In case you guys have been following me from the last couple of months, at least you guys know that Sriman likes two things. One is his black coffee, for sure. Without that my day doesn't start because I feel so lethargic and lazy. Second important thing I do is definitely hit the gym. But there is a problem today. I cannot go to the gym because the gym is closed on Sundays. But then I started working out like properly once again after my trips and all that, so I don't want to skip it. My fitness goal right now is a little bit aggressive, so I'll be doing like 7 days a week. Luckily, in case you guys remember, in my previous videos I've shown you that I got a little bit of fitness equipment for home, and this is the perfect time that I can use them. And I think in these days it is very important to have a home gym as well. Not a complete setup, but at least the basics. Right now I have a couple of dumbbells, 5, 10 and 15 hex dumbbells. Apart from the hex dumbbells, I also got an easy bar. I really like the quality of this equipment. This is from a brand called 1RM. All the links I'll be posting in the description. This quality of this knurling, the chrome, everything is like perfect. It's a proper rubberized dumbbell, and even these plates, even if you throw it, your tile is not gonna break because of this thick rubberized material. You see this zigzag bar, this is called the easy bar. Because of this zigzag shape, you don't have too much stress on your wrist, especially while doing triceps and biceps. So this particular 1RM combo that I have, it has this easy bar, a couple of weights, and this is the ideal set of weights you need for a home workout. It's a probably made in India brand. Best part is they deliver all this equipment to your home directly. Their service is really good. I think, to be honest, I really like their equipment, and once I set up my garage properly, I'm definitely gonna order more stuff from 1RM. In case you're ordering, you can use my coupon code SRIMAN5 and get flat 5% off. So let me finish this workout, and oh yes, I'll have to send all this to my trainer, what all I did, how many sets I did, because he keeps track of how much weights I did this week. And for vloggers, especially who are using a huge canvas like this, they don't even need huge dumbbells here. Take a look at this size, it's so huge. In case I get shoulder injuries, definitely it's to do with this camera. Nice of do DJ. Do DJ. That's nice DJ console. Arre wah. Karo. You know, Naisha's got good music taste. That's what I found. Like, only if a good song is playing, she'll come and dance. Otherwise, she'll not dance. Somehow the songs I like, the taste I have in music, exactly for that song, she'll come and dance. Good, Naisha, you got my taste. Arre? Oh, for DJ Naisha. Oh, you're changing the CDs, huh? Wait. Hey, what's up, people?
Hello.
Charan, who called you? I didn't invite you. I invited only Manogna because Manogna didn't come last time for biryani. Dad's biryani.
Thank you so much.
Special invite for Manogna.
Selfie with Naisha.
We didn't invite Charan because we invited Manogna. He came along. Oh, you got gift for me. Basically, we have a biryani party at home once again. Mr. Master Chef Ashok Kumar, my dad ke saath. And one of the main reasons you came is to check out the pergola.
Take it.
This one is gonna go next. Is your electric car coming to my house for the first time?
Yeah, you can charge it cable.
You want to charge? We don't have superchargers.
Basic
you can just put. It came till here.
Hey, came till here.
Like this, sir, That's some sumptuous mutton biryani. Unfortunately, this guy doesn't eat non-veg. That's a veg biryani for him. Mutton biryani, chicken biryani, eggs. Did you taste?
I didn't taste.
You should taste Rating Raja.
बोले शादी खाना की ऐसे लाइन होती है तो
Buffet line, huh? What is your rating? 9.5. Everyone is giving decimal rating.
What is 0.5 score for improvement?
You taste and tell me. How is it? 9.3, yeah. 10 on 10, huh? Nice.
I gave the rating before eating. Now I'll give it.
What do you mean?
10.5 out of 10, huh? Oh, nice.
10.5 out of 10.
Veg biryani. It's good.
My rating?
10 out of 10.
9.5. Like Dad said, scope for improvement is there. 9.5. Everyone left. Now we are gonna play bubbles. What are these? You do. इधर कर. We can make a much bigger one. Wait, are you playing or am I playing? Huh? Doesn't matter as long as you're having fun. Nisha, come here. Look at that. Happy Independence Day. Bolo. Say. No. Just getting the GoPro 9 is not enough. You need to get all this stuff. Tempered glass 1, 2 and 3. Third one is a failure. After putting 2 of the tempered glasses, the overconfidence aa gaya, and this is what happens when you have overconfidence. Not like a super awesome job, but works. Main thing is this lens has to be protected. And oh yes, I have to show you. Like I told you, this is the next day. We have a couple of accessories that came in. This is for the BMW. This one is also for the BMW. This one is also for the BMW. Only thing is, you see this? Packaging is really bad coming from international, so I'm pretty sure it took a lot of beating. 1, 2, 3, 4. इसमें 2 है, so total 5 accessories. There's some more yet to come. Once everything comes, everything in one shot, we'll get them fixed. I think 1 or 2 things I can fix it myself, except for the clear water lights. You know that, right? Oh, one more thing. Apart from this, we have something else. We have a huge package that is down. It's a super expensive accessory for the BMW. It had to come along with the Lone Rider headlight guard. I think I'll be unboxing that in the next couple of videos. Let's see. Pooja wants to sit outside and work today.
Yeah, I'm
She
so
wants
bored of
coffee
the
shop
rooms.
feels.
No, we'll go.
I'm ready. चलो अभी जाएंगे. Work still going on. अभी log out time नहीं हुआ.
There's nothing like log out time for us when you're working from home. You're expected to work all the time. Whoever's listening to this, listen.
Complaint started. Usually you have to log out sharp at 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Please log out on time.
I hope bosses also understand.
Even bosses should work out. Sorry, I'm saying work out. Even
Work
log out. Even bosses, CEOs, whoever it is, founders, I think you should stop working sharp at 6 o'clock and enjoy your life as well. I'm saying this, but I keep working full day. Good thing you have charging point here. Hey, what's up, Nacho? What's up? Say something. Kichido, kichido. Where is the sound? Huh? That is some nice coffee for Pooja.
Thank you so much.
I really have one doubt.
What?
Do you really like my coffee or just because I make it आराम से बैठ के पी सकते हो बोल के you ask me
Listen,
for
I can
coffee?
make it for myself.
So genuinely you think I make good coffee?
हाँ बाबा. Today you're rating on generally it's 9.5. As you always say, there's scope for improvement.
See, my wife is busy working and I'm making coffee for her. And you know, people are actually thinking you are the earning member of the family.
Really? I wish that was the case.
Thank you, Pooja, for getting me the BMW and paying my EMIs, okay? Thank you.
I wish that was the case.
Reeman doesn't earn anything. I say time pass karta.
No. Okay, I'm not going to say anything right now. You know what I'm going to say.
I should help Mama.
मामा को हेल्प करो ये लैपटॉप में. चलो मेरे बॉस को बोलो बहुत काम कर रहा है मामा को.
As if she knows. What is she doing seriously? अरे
मैं क्यूट हूँ.
Nice. Happy face. That's not happy face. That's surprise. This is happy face. Surprise. Okay. Ignore. Ignore. Okay, wait. Angry. Any new faces, you know? Anyways, हमारा coffee dose हो गया सुबह almost 2 shots of proper black coffee before hitting the gym. But now I have my protein shake, which is very important, along with, you guys know my third meal, right? My favorite dark chocolate peanut butter, whey protein and little bit of bread. Exactly 50 grams of bread, okay? Also, if you like, you can add some ice cubes. Of course, not just ice cubes. You can add maybe a little bit of fat-free milk or milk if you're not like on a very strict diet. I prefer adding water. I don't add too much because water usually makes it a little bit liquidy. I like it a little bit like a milkshake, little bit thick. I'm not gonna add peanut butter. Usually I add peanut butter into this, but today I'm planning to have maybe bread, or if bread is not there, sometimes I also have a little bit of anything that is like good carbs. Okay, right now I'm under the stairs, and as you can see, this is a space that I'm utilizing to store all my luggage. These are the left and right panniers, and here you can see my shoes as well. Pretty dirty, I need to get them cleaned. And oh yes, this is the other box I'm talking about. It came like almost 1 week back. I'll be doing that later. These are the clear water lights. You see that LED shining inside? Those are the Darlas. Whole box has a lot of lights in it. What's up, bro?